Good morning, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you for being here for this quick tutorial on Act Premium Cloud. I was asked, how do you log into your Act Premium Cloud account? Well, the URL to do that is right up top. It's my.act.com, my.act.com, my.act.com. Once you get there, you put in your email address and your password. After clicking on Login, you will see the option to select the database that you want to work on. Now, one thing that I'll suggest to you is sometimes when you have a trial of this, it creates a trial database for you. Then when you upload your data, you'll have a second database with your data uploaded. To choose the database you want, click on the drop-down and pick the proper database. In this case, I'm going to pick our sample database, and I'm going to launch Act just like this. So again, you need to know the name of your database. If you have a lot of databases in there, for some reason you don't want all those, you don't want any confusion that people get into the wrong database, you can request from Act directly that they remove those databases. And in a separate tutorial, I'll show you how to do that. Anyway, you just want to be careful with that, but that is something you can do, and that's how you log in. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day.